This video is for artists, people looking for art resources and tips, spooky podcast fans, and generally those who support my work. I built the Creative Cauldron to house free artist resources, updating it periodically. I've been happy to do this for free and to continue to do so, but I can't justify paying for the independent site anymore. This doesn't mean that I'm deleting the Creative Cauldron, it's just moving. I'll have instructions at the end of this video with multiple ways to get to this new location, as it'll be housed in my portfolio site. I plan on terminating the original Creative Cauldron site around mid-February, so you have some time to bookmark the portfolio site. I will also be updating this new home of the Creative Cauldron with over a dozen new resources. So please pass this along to artists in your life who could use the free resources. Moving on to a brief spooky podcast update. The final episode of Season 2 is going to take some time, as illness and other stressors have arisen in the past 2 weeks. Thank you for being patient, and I'm working to get it done when I can. For those unfamiliar, you can listen to Season 1 and the rest of Season 2 of Back Away Slowly on any podcast app or on the YouTube channel. I've decided to move my Patreon to Ko-Fi. Ko-Fi? I don't know. The intent is so that people can decide specifically what projects they want to support. You here for the spooky stuff? You can support the spooky stuff. Here to support the Creative Cauldron? You can do that. You here for videos about art tips? You get the point. If you still want to give support monthly, Ko-Fi has that option. Anyways, those are the biggest updates for now. I have a handful of ideas, all vying for attention and partially finished projects, but none of them are far enough along to announce anything. You can find all of my sites on this page. The Creative Cauldron is being moved to my portfolio site, which looks like this. Scroll down here, and if you click this right now, it goes directly to the Creative Cauldron site as I build the new draft in the background. But yeah, please share this with anyone you think would find this helpful, or anyone that you think would be interested in my work.